I would make a very short introduction to the CAMINO project itself, and we will talk about the technologies and means to protect privacy and personal data from the cybercrime. This is the main objective of our coordination and support action. So, some key facts. CAMINO stands for Comprehensive Approach to Cyber Road Coordination and Development. The project is FP7 Security, a project funded by the European Commission. The total cost is about 1 million euros. The duration is 2 years. The project has started 1st of April 2014. We are 10 consortium members from 8 countries. And the leader is ITTI from Poland, Poznań. So the main strategic objectives are to develop a comprehensive cybercrime and cyberterrorism research agenda, and to initiate long-term activities providing a stable platform of security research experts and organizations. Consortium, as I said, is built by 10 partners from 8 European countries. And here, more or less in this corner, they are our colleagues from CAMINO project. We have the representatives from CBRNE Ltd from London, UK, Andrew. Then from, our team from Data Fusion Research Center. We have also the representative from Espion in Ireland, from EADE Everest in Spain. Okay, José Luis. Okay, from Police Academy in Szczytno, Jerzy and Adam. And finally, Irene from S21 Sec Lab from Spain as well. So, in CAMINO project, we try to address cybersecurity answering to its multi-dimensional nature. So we are using so-called TOR approach, which means technical from both offline and online aspects of cybersecurity, various human and societal context beyond the core technology, organizational, policies, roles, responsibilities in relation to cybersecurity, and regulatory legal status of cybersecurity. As an examples, from the technical point of view, we will address in our roadmaps and guidelines fighting against growing and evolving malware and botnet, denial of service and distributed denial of service protection, intrusion detection systems, big data for cybersecurity analytics, cloud security and cloud forensic, Internet of Things, new methods for authentication and authorization, information sharing platforms or mechanism and dynamic risk assessment, mobile device protection, APTS protection, and insider threats detection and protection. From the human and ethical aspects, we will address training, awareness and management, monitoring and mitigation, individual rights versus societal rights, and privacy, of course. Talking about the organizational aspect, the challenge of the global nature of Internet, challenges due to the nature of cybercrime, and challenges and obstacles of the enterprise firm level. And finally, the regulatory, common regulation and differences in legal systems, technical language and cyber definitions in law, and slow evolution of law. So, this is the very short introduction of what are the main goals of CAMINO. Currently, we are developing the first draft of our roadmap and our guidelines. Here you can see how in our roadmap and guidelines, we would address these 4 big groups of the topics. The first draft will be released at the end of this month, 31st of March, and it will be available, the publicable version on our website, and we will ask for feedback to all of the stakeholders. Finally, what I would like to tell is that one of the objectives as well of CAMINO project is the community building and cyber think tank. It is important to tell that CAMINO itself has started as a project within the IMGS Group TA7. IMGS stands for Integrated Mission Group for Security. We have 7 different technical areas, and TA7 is the cybersecurity area. So the goal defined is to establish the cyber think tank, and in this case we also cooperate with 2 CSA FP7 project, Courage and Cyber Road. Within this workshop, we will have later on in this session and in the next session the presentation of the representative from Cyber Road. Finally, our workshops. We have had the first CAMINO workshop last year in September in Switzerland, in Bern. This is our second CAMINO workshop. Then in 1 month, more or less, we would have the integrated CAMINO workshop together with FP7 Courage. Then the third CAMINO workshop, which will be focused on law aspects and regulatory aspects, will be held in London 15th and 16th of June this year. And finally, the final CAMINO workshop will be in March 2016 in Madrid. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much for your attention.